If you wonder if the Huawei Watch Fit 4 does have Google Maps, let me quickly explain this. Let's quickly go into the app gallery. This is the place where you can install applications for your smartwatch, and right here you can find this navigation application, and this one actually does kind of support the Google Maps. As you can see, it says that is for Google Maps. And let me just quickly open the Google Maps application, and we will open this application, navigation application on our smartwatch real quick. And as we open this one, it says waiting for Google Maps. But either though the Google Maps is opened, this application cannot detect it and says that the navigation is not installed on this phone. And I also tried by turning on the navigation itself, making some kind of a trip, anything like this. I tried all of this stuff, but it is still not working. So in theory, this smartwatch does have the Google Maps application, but it kind of doesn't work. So if you are watching this video later, a couple of months later or something like this, maybe they might have fixed this problem with this application not working. But this is the quick answer for you. There is this Google Maps application for the Huawei Watch Fit 4.